Are you looking to cancel your Netflix subscription? Whether you're taking a break or switching to another platform, I'll guide you step by step on how to cancel your Netflix account quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Netflix app and log in. I'm already logged in myself. Once logged in, tap on My Netflix in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. A pop-up menu will open. Tap on Account. On the account page, scroll down and you'll see a button labeled Cancel Membership. Tap on Cancel Membership button. Netflix will give you a link that you have to paste in a browser so you continue with the procedure. Open your browser and paste the link, then open it. Here, you can cancel the plan, pause for a month, or change the plan to another. Just tap on cancellation. Once you've completed the cancellation, Netflix will send you a confirmation email. Keep this for your records to ensure the cancellation went through. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Netflix subscription. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.